Yeah, this is my Giant Trance Advanced 2. Just got it yesterday and taking her out today. Yeah, one of the main things I added was the wheels. Those are i9 Enduro 305. I come from road racing, so I'm all about the stiffness of the bike, and these guys are incredibly stiff. And then that kind of led me to putting on that fork, because I started feeling the fork that came with the Reign. I had a Giant Reign, and the fork that came with it was a little wobbly. It wasn't very stiff, so I put that fork on it. That's a Fox 36 factory. And then that led me to the top end, basically going from the bottom up, and then went with the Renthal 50 mil stem and some 800 mil bars. So basically got that front end super stiff, and it's incredible. It really sticks to the ground. And also didn't really enjoy the play I had in the seat post that came with the bike, so I kept with the theme and went with the Fox transfer. Basically all these components were on my Giant Reign, but I cracked it. So got this frame, kept the SLX crank on there, and everything else is from that other bike. Mainly, I was looking to have something a bit more playful. The Reign, I loved it. It was a beast on downhills. It's more of a freaking downhill bike though, and I just wanted to bring it back in a little bit and enjoy the trails a bit more, not suffer going up the hills as much, and went with the Trance, and I love it so far. I would take this on the road for sure.
Probably a good choice.
You could sit in the Peloton for, you throw a little bit bigger gear on there, you could sit in for a pretty long time.